Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Kuya Mark, ako po pala si Angie, ang bagong team niyo po sa Chip Chararat. Happy birthday po Kuya Mark. Ang wish ko po sa iyo Kuya Mark, palagi kayo masaya, healthy po kayo. Happy birthday po pala. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday Mark. Enjoy your day and keep safe always.
Happy birthday, Tol Mark. Enjoy mo yung arawan mo at maglasing tayo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Hi Mark! Kamusta ang spaceship dyan? Charot. Gusto lang kitang batiin Mark ng Happy New Year and Merry Christmas in advance. Anyway, happy birthday. God bless you always. Ingat ka palagi sa more birthdays to come. Yan lang Mark.
Hi Tol Mark, happy birthday. God bless and more blessings to come. Sana yung masaya ka sa birthday mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday Kuya Mark. Always take care and keep safe. May God always bless you. Maraming pa sanang birthday ang dumating sa'yo.
Happy birthday Mark. Binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Ang wish ko lang is sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan at sana ingatan lagi ni Lord yung mga family mong naiwan dito sa Pilipinas at sana marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate kasama ang family mo at saka kami na Chararat family mo. At muli, nabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Yan lang Tol. God bless.
Chararat! Sa aking crush dyan, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mark! Wishing you all the best happiness today. We're celebrating your birthday, and I'm wishing you always in good health for more birthdays to come into your life. And ayun, ingat ka lagi dyan, and thank you so much. Kahit gaano ka man ka-busy, nagagawang pa rin kami silipin sa aming life. Kaya ayun, andito lang ako lagi. Ay, di pala, kami pala palagi sa Chararat Fam kung kailangan mo na kausap kapag malungkot ka, kapag wala kang jowa, jowain mo ako. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, ayun. Nais ko lang ipabatid sa iyo na if malungkot ka, andito kami sa Chararat Fam. Makitambay sa live namin, makijoin, gayon lang. So, yun lang. Once again, happy birthday to you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. God bless you always.
Mark, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, Mark. Happy birthday. Sa work pa ako.
Hello Mark, Marky, happy birthday to you. Ayan, sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wishes mo sa buhay mo. Ayan, sana bigyan ka pa ng malakas at magandang pangangatawan. Ayan, once again, happy birthday to you. Take care always and God bless. Love.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich. my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want to what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, meme.
Ayan, gusto ko lang palang batiin yung nag-iisa ko din kaibigan. Tol Mark, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. Sana marami kang blessing na darating sa buhay mo. Nandito lang kami ng Family Chararat para sa'yo.
When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there.
Happy birthday, ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo. Nawa ay lumigaya ka. At abutin mo pa sana